Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Mustang Elegant Campervan is a new and exciting offering in the recreational vehicle industry that aims to combine the sporty nature of the Ford Mustang with the sophisticated functionality of a high-end campervan. With a sleek and elegant appearance that evokes the Mustang's design heritage and accommodates the needs of mobile life, this conceptual vehicle aims to break away from traditional campervan aesthetics. Although modified for the van form factor, the external appearance is anticipated to have iconic Mustang characteristics like the tri-bar taillights, a streamlined front fascia, and possibly a powerful attitude. The vehicle's sophisticated appeal would be enhanced by premium finishes and a color scheme that likely emphasizes subtle yet attractive tones. Its sophisticated appearance may also be enhanced by understated aerodynamic improvements and discreet badging. Inside, premium components and painstaking craftsmanship would be given top priority in the 2026 Mustang Elegant Campervan. The combination of soft leather upholstery, polished wood accents, and soft lighting would make the space feel opulent and welcoming. With a smartly integrated toilet module, a cozy sleeping area that could double as a seating arrangement, and a small but well-equipped kitchenette, the layout would be thoughtfully planned to optimize both space and usefulness. It would be crucial to integrate technology, emphasizing smooth connectivity and intuitive user interfaces. A key component would be a sizable touchscreen infotainment system that combined entertainment, navigation, and car control features. Modern driver assistance technologies that resemble those in luxury passenger cars would improve driving comfort and safety. Although the 2026 Mustang Elegant Campervan's powertrain is still up in the air, possible alternatives include a totally electric drivetrain or an effective hybrid system, which would fit in with current automotive trends and maybe provide a quiet and upscale driving experience. In order to maintain some of the Mustang's distinctive responsiveness while offering a pleasant ride that is appropriate for both long trips and daily use, the suspension and handling would probably be adjusted. The 2026 Mustang Elegant Campervan essentially aims to combine a distinctive fusion of recreational usefulness and automotive excitement. By bringing the legendary Mustang spirit into the world of mobile living, it seeks to appeal to people who value elegant design and pleasant travel, providing a unique alternative to conventional campervans. This design offers a car that is as comfortable to drive as it is to arrive at a destination.